नूतन वर्षाभिनंदन विक्रम संवत 2078 दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एवरीबडी. Many students demanded to explain how to remember BTPB and BCR repertory construction, especially how to remember the section of BCR. So now let me discuss today this particular point. In 1832, the first repertory of Boni-Usson was published as a repertory of antisoric. Then 1835, the repertory of non-antisoric published. 1836, the relative kinship of remedies. And rather 1846, the BTPB, that is published Boni-Usson Therapeutic Pocket Book by H. A. Robert, N.E.C. Wilson and T.F. Allen. So this particular book fall into 7 distinct parts. Each of these is complete in itself but differ to the working. This book is like novel. Each section, though individual, still interdependent on each other. When we are discussing the 3 stalwarts philosophy, the Boni-Usson had given importance to the complete symptom, location, sensation, concomitant and modality, the doctrine of analogy and relationship. Dr. J.T. Kent had given importance to individualization, importance to the mental aspects, the mental general, physical general and particular, the 3 grades of the remedies, cross references and the small arrangement, finest arrangement of the rubric level, that is STME, size, time, modality and extension 2, where the Boger had given the importance, that is importance to the causatives, pathological generals, time, clinical rubrics and concordances. And there is a fine arrangement of the level of this section, it is rather time, aggravation, amelioration, concomitant and cross reference. Okay. So this is the 3 stalwarts philosophy, little bit different. So now regarding the BTPB and BCR, the book, it is just like novel. When you are reading novel, any section, you will be confused. But when you read the first and last section, or rather the interdependent section, then you can understand the novel, otherwise not. So the 7 sections are there: mind and intellect, parts of the body and organs, sensation and complaints, sleep and dreams, fever, the alteration of the state of health and relationship of remedies. Then BCR, that is mind and sensorium, same parts of the body and organs, sensation and complaints, sleep and dream, fever and compound fever, condition in general, condition aggravation and amelioration and concordances. So when we are comparing as a general, they both having the 7 section. But rather in BCR, the parts of the body and organ, this will be more divided into smaller and smaller and smaller. So we can say that having the 53 particular sections and rather BTPB having the 7 section. So rather part of the body and organs in BTPB, that will be starts from internal head to lower extremity. The sensation and complaints, that is divided in general, of glands, of bones and of skin. The fever, it is divided into circulation of blood, cold stage, coldness, heat, perspiration, compound fever and concomitant complaints. The alteration of the state of health, once again it is divided, aggravation according to time, aggravation according to situation and circumstances, and amelioration according to position and circumstances. So as a general, when we are comparing the BTPB and BCR, the both having the 7 sections. Once again, mind and intellect, here is mind and sensorium, the parts of the body and organs, sensation and complaints, sleep and dreams, fever, alteration of the state of health, and relationship of remedy. Now, how to remember? How to remember these particular sections? So that is one, that is you can prepare the star. So prepare the star and the surrounding structure. That will be the other relation of that particular star. You can draw the star in this way and rather surrounds with the one particular circle. So this is for BTPB. I will put that particular figure over here and you can rather judge out the 7 section. Now to remember with the particular BCR. So that is little bit complicated. So here I can show you, I had prepared the doll, and that particular doll, when we are putting the one side and putting the another side, then we consider as a complete doll. So this is the first particular, the other the head. This is the first, that is section 1. Here is rather, here from here we can start, that is section 1, mind and sensorium. Here is the section 2, here is section 3, here is section 4, here is section 5, here is section 6, here is section 7. So this is the first, rather the head of the doll, and this will give the guideline of BTPB and BCR. Now here is the another part, that is below part, and this the below part of this particular doll, and this suggests the part 2, that is part of the body and organ. We had divided as the 2 part. This is a part 2 divided as A, B, C, D, E and F. So it is divided A, that having the 8 particular subsections, B, that having the 16, C, that having the 7, D, that is having the 5, E, that having the 2, and F, that having the, rather once again the 2. So when we putting the 2, rather the parts of the doll together like this, so it will form a complete doll, and that particular doll you can put in this way. You can put this doll this way, and this is nothing but your B, C, R particular sections. So over here once again, here is the 2, 2, 2. The 3 part is 2, 2, 2. 1, here is rather the 8, and here is the 4. And here is a section 1. So this is the doll 1. And here is the part 2, that will be divided as a GIT 16. Then rather here the GUT, that is 7. Here is the respiratory, that is 5. Here is the rather the chest and back, and here is rather upper extremity and lower extremity. So by observing this particular doll, you can remember very well. You can remember the very well the whole section and subsection. So here the total number, that is 2, 2, 2, 1, 8, 1, 8, 4. So this will be rather one part. Here is the 8, 16, 7, 5, 2 and 2 is equal to 40. So when you divide this, that is the part 2 plus the part this is equal to 53. So BCR section and subsection, that will be when we are considering, that is 53. Otherwise in BTPB it is we consider as a section 7. So this is a very important aspect. So by remembering the one particular sentence, that is 222,184, 16,7,522. So that is this particular sections. So that is 222,184. This is the other first pattern, 222,184. And for this it is 8, 16, 7, 5, 2, 2. So here is the 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. The 2 into 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So here once again 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this is the rather particular pattern. When you will study the pattern of the doll, you can find out the very nice way how to remember the particular sections. So rather over here, here is the A8. This is the A8. So A8, that is vertigo, head, eye, ear, nose, face, teeth and mouth. These are the 8. Then here is the 16. Here is the 16, that is GIT, the biggest section of BCR. So that is appetite, thirst, taste, eructation, water brush and heartburn, hiccup, nausea and vomiting, stomach, epigastrium, hypochondria, abdomen, external abdomen, inguinal and pubic region, the flatulence, stool, anus and the rectum. So these are the 16. B. C is 17. So over here, that is C is 70 related to the GUT, that is perineum, prostate gland, urine, urinary organs, genitalia, sexual impulses and menstruation. So here is a D5. So that is respiration, cough, larynx, and trachea, voice and speech, the neck and external throat, that is respiratory. And E is 2, that is chest and back. Over here, that is chest and back. And rather the last one, that is the upper extremity and lower extremity. So this way, your simple smiling doll, the above part is give rise to remember the BTPB, the below plus above both. When you are considering, then it is a BCR. So rather the various section, it is not included in the Kent repertory or the other, but here it is there. So that is eructation, taste, water brush, heartburn, hiccup, nausea, vomiting, epigastrium, hypochondria, external abdomen, inguinal and pubic region, flatulence, anus and rectum, perineum. So these are the menstruation. So these are the section which is not given in Kent directly. Indirectly it is there, but not as a direct. So this doll you can remember very well, and then you can understand the particular, rather your section and subsection. So the more subsection included, and we can say the BCR having 53 sections, and rather BTPB having the main 7 section. When we are comparing, both are going towards the 7 one, but we are labeling as a 53 in BCR and in BTPB the 7 section. Thank you very much. Give your comments whether you like this doll, how you can remember the thing or not. That is, give me your opinion. Thank you very much.